For the fourth Roblox repair, I'll be suggesting how to fix the forbidden box, which I've reviewed previously. As of this video, the box is mostly broken, shades are not summoned, the tool is incompatible with R15 players, and unequipping the tool before you throw it can make it unusable. To fix the first issue, I would create a new script object for the tool, which I would name WindScript, and move the code from the local script object into it. This is because the code in the local script, which is necessary for the box to function, can no longer work inside of a local script object. Then, I would create an activated function to register when the user clicks, and have it replace the button 1 down function from lines 24 through 71. Lastly, I would find the value for the object CT through the getPlayerFromCharacter function instead of localPlayer, which does not exist for server scripts. The first issue should now be fixed. The gear now works as intended with R6 characters. To fix the second issue, we need to go back into the WindScript. In our new function activated, the variable T represents the user's torso body part. However, this only exists for R6 characters. I would reference the user's humanoid root part instead, as this exists for both R6 and R15 characters. Then, I would modify the shade asset, which is imported by the tool's script object. In the shade's shadescript script, the variable T at line 258 is used to represent the shade's target's torso body part. So again, I would have it represent the humanoid root part of the target instead of their torso, in case their character is R15. Lastly, we need to create R15 animations for the tool. I would organize the different animations into their own folders. Then, in the WindScript, define the anim object 1 and 2 variables in the onEquipped function, and have them reference the new animations when the user is R15. To fix the final issue, we just need to add an else statement in case the tool is no longer equipped when it needs to function, and if this is the case, reset it to being usable again. The forbidden box should be fixed. The box summons 4 shades when thrown, which attack both R6 and R15 targets. Unequipping the box before it can be thrown will not cause it to break, and the gear is fully compatible with R15 avatars. I've included my repaired version of the forbidden box in my Roblox repair place if you want to test it out. That is all for this repair. Bye.